I have a GE Profile refrigerator model number 29PSDASS. I have water collecting under the vegetable drawer. I have read many threads and found that most seem to say that the drain plug is frozen. I am unable to locate the drain plug on my model.
Hello, my name is you for choosing our service. Inside the fresh food section behind the rear wall is where the drain is. Click the link below. That sheet will help you get right to it. Click right here. Behind those parts is the evaporator coil that defrosts about every 10 hours. The drain for the defrost is in the floor directly under those coils. It's just about the size of a dime. Dig out all the ice and clear that hole. Once you get that done, pour a little warm water down it to be sure it's clear. That will take care of it. Kindly remember, the only way experts receive any credit at all for spending time with customers is if you click on OK, good or excellent service, even though you have made a deposit or are a subscription customer. You must complete the rating for the expert to receive any credit. If you happen to see a rating questionnaire, this is not the expert's rating. Thanks, Barry.
Okay, I found the cover to the electrical connector. I'm still not sure how to gain access to the coil. What screws do I remove?
The two on the top of the deli pan cover. Barry.
Okay, I removed the deli pan and the 5 screws to the rear panel. I'm afraid to pull too hard on this panel as it seems to not want to come away easily.
It is probably froze stuck, Paul. Once the water starts coming out, it will turn to ice because the cold falling down from the coils will freeze it pretty quickly. It would be a good idea to let it thaw a few hours because there is a piece back there behind that wall, and the ice tugging on it could easily break it. That would not be good. If you look very close at the last image and below the coils, to the off-center a bit left, you can see the drain in that image. That is where it is clogged. Thanks, Barry.
Okay, I found a drain. I have removed the standing water. There is a small wire going into the hole. I have poured hot water down the drain hole. Any other suggestions?
That is all, if the water when it should be all good. I am sorry for the delay, my computer just threw a fit. That should be all you need to do to take care of it, Paul. Thanks, Barry.
Okay, when I pour hot water down the drain fills up. Should the water drain completely out? I have poured down very hot water several times.
It is a slow drain, but yes, it should go. Is it not draining at all? Barry.
Not really, no. I suck out the water and replace with hot water, but it still fills the hole up.
If you can get a turkey baster in there, try blasting it out with water, or if you have air available, you could try that. You cannot put anything else in there other than water. You might try to snake it with some plastic tubing if you have that. If you cannot get it with any of those, you may need to call someone and have them come out and do it. That drain goes into the wall. There is no other access except where it comes out at the rear by the compressor. And on that end is about 4 or 5 inches of tubing exposed. Barry.
I put it all back together and we will watch it. I hope that what I have done will fix the issue. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.